Good morning. Good morning, my people. How na dey? Yeah, this na morning, okay? This na Thursday morning. Okay, guys. My children don't want let me open this vlog. Now so come be true, come hide. Okay, make my open this vlog. They are noisy. They give me a headache. Okay. So yeah, it's not Thursday morning. Okay, so this morning, never to tell we wake up, okay? The time on about 9 a.m. in the morning. I just my quick clean my face, you know. Yeah, my face they glow. Thanks to this thing, oh, the hair, it like my face they glow. This face cleanser. So yeah, so guys, by 10 a.m. in the morning, my daughter nutritionist, not be nutritionist they call her. I don't know what they call her. Mona pardon me. Okay, anyway, my just explain to her. My daughter know they eat oh. My first daughter Greta, she know they like eat oh. She know they eat rice and beans, spaghetti, like she know they eat. So the only thing she they eat now milk and chocolate. You know what she they like oh. So milk chocolate she feed it on throughout the day, like throughout the week. Then fries, then fried turkey, fried fish. Maybe if we still cook, then fish for inside soup, inside stew, she dey eat that one too. But the cocoa for inside, she no dey eat rice. How person go your day for over 5 years now? Greta no dey eat rice, no dey eat eba, swallow nothing. So yeah, now we come hire somebody wey will come dey teach am like professional, you know. We will come dey teach, help her to eat. So this na the second time now today where she go come. Where she dey come. So around 10 and then she go take come. So the last time when she come tell me, so okay, we'll try cucumber and get this fish. So I'll show her later anyway. I'll show her later. So it's possible we'll try and cucumber, and I don't know, maybe she get special way where she wants to try it, because I don't try it before. Great and not eat. So she possible we'll try that one. The last time when she come, she tried spaghetti, Greta not eat. No, no. So this time this time around, she also try cucumber and one other fish like that, an Italian fish. I'll show her later anyway. She also try, huh? So yeah, by 10 now she will come. Guys, I don't know what to do. The thing they give me concern, no, 6 years old, she know they eat. Now you they look and say she fat. Now that milk and chocolate she dey eat, now they make her fat. Later more they eat, the thing they give me concern well. See what she feel do, if she will feel help her, you know, to the eat. So yeah, any moment from now she will come. So yeah, what it could happen, no? Because the way she tasted, she will take prepare the cucumber, she was like she go fry. I'm like they fry cucumber anyway. Maybe you know Italo. We get professional the way she want to cook. I don't know. Anyway, if you prepare, I will show that she did do. Okay, I'm gonna see a new recipe. So yeah. So what will happen this morning? So she not go school. I mean, not today make 8 days when she get this accident for school. So for those of you who don't know, if you go watch the video, okay, they mention on there. Maybe say teacher use a dog press his hand, okay. So they make her 8 days. So they never lose the bandage. So now your daughter will lose the bandage. So they will go there later. You with the papa will go there later. So since that time, they never go school, guys, at the fear. So though yesterday, my husband and one of our Italian friend, they go there school yesterday, go warn the teacher, me go talk to them, say, I beg. If they go beg and they look my picking well. Though they don't want them, they apologize, you know, and all that, so it not go happen again. So if they lose the bandage today, now hopefully on Monday they will start school, okay? So yeah, I just make I open this vlog. Welcome to another video. Okay, so the first video is just in my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment and share. Okay, na pidgin English not dey talk for here. So guys, I'll see you later. So guys, this na the cucumber. So now two type we buy. This na zucchini. Na zucchini they call it for Italy, but I don't know if they call it for English show. So na zucchini. So this one is cucumber. So if you see, you see na two different things. Okay. So we just buy these two. So I don't know the one we should go use for inside. Yeah. So I just want to wash her down before she come. Just want quick wash her down before she come. Not be all I want wash her, but I want just take like one for this one. Then one for this one and one for cucumber, then one for this one. Yeah. I'll use it on the chop groundnut. Guys, if you never eat zucchini and groundnut, very yummy, eh? You go be like say you dey eat garden egg and groundnut. You know that vibe of garden egg and groundnut. That's what cucumber and groundnut they give me. That kind of vibe they give me. I dey like am well well. So yeah. You people should let me hear what chicken nuggets. Yeah, I just describe it like that. So it be but now fish. Yeah, now fish. Now they take down. Okay. So yeah. So she would be frying together with the fryer, you know, you're frying small. So you want her to join the cucumber. So me will try and whether she will eat here. I don't first try this thing before she not eat anyway. Maybe she get tricky she want use. We go make her eat. Let's see. So yeah, we'll constantly buy this one. Then I say freezer because so just dey inside freezer. I don't want to make it made before she come. Okay. So I'll go put her back for inside freezer. If she come, then I'll bring them out. Yeah.
Facciamo che vabbè, di abituarsi gradualmente abituarsi gradualmente all'esercizio sensoriale e adesso dobbiamo pensare perché adesso la adesso proviamo, probabilmente dobbiamo poi un po' fare le risposte, quindi facciamo un po' di quello che in realtà è risposte
She don't want to eat.
I'm sorry for this. Ma questo e questo. Siedi. Brava, lo so che ti fa arrabbiare. Choice.
So guys, you just finish now. When I see the fight, the struggle, great. na super river Greta wan dey follow her dey fight oh. God, oh my God. Anyway, immediately she put the food for table, she carry am, she bite inside. I couldn't even say she wan just dey eat and dey go. She bite inside, shoo am. She drop the rest. The woman was like, at least na good start. At least she even pick at all, you know, test am for mouth. I mean, the last time when she come here, Greta no just touch am at all. Just look her like this, just ignore. She just shake her, say no. So after she bite inside, she chew am, she drop the rest, you know. So the woman come like dey convince her, you know, because she like biscuit. They like give her, they tell her say, oh yeah, eat. If you eat, I will give you your biscuit. You know, she come like they use the trick, you know, and all that. Later they say, no, give me biscuit. Oh my God. Oh. Anyway, for her to take you know, bite am at first. Now good start, okay. So more see how it goes. So because she dey come once in a week. So next week now she will come again. So this time around she say we'll try, you know, rice, okay. Rice and stew. I say okay. No, we'll see how it goes. She's trying anyway. She's trying. Look at Ryan, not let me rest oh. Ryan not let me rest because the one with Greta not gonna eat. Now Ryan can't chop and finish. Ryan don't let me rest oh. Mommy, I need more. So don't touch. I'll leave it. So guys, this is not later in the evening. Yeah, I don't tire. So I just remember that I never end the vlog. Now I just my quick end the vlog, okay. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, okay. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.